Okay, so we have our game working pretty well here. We can go and buy seeds with our money, and we can plant the seeds. We can water them. We have our time and our energy progressing. We have them growing. We can harvest the carrots when they pop up. We can go and sell the carrots and get more money. We can go buy more seeds. It's great. But let's add a little bit of polish here. One thing that this definitely needs is some pixel art. So let's figure out our buy, charge, and sell stations here. Let's go back over to our art. And I'll just hold control and roll out with the scroll wheel. And let's replace this by with some actual art here. Just holding control to do a filled rectangle. And I'm thinking we make like a little store kind of thing where you buy the seeds, like a seed store, right? So let's maybe do something like this size. We'll have kind of a top to it. Maybe we'll make the front brown and the top kind of orange. We'll have this kind of highlight like here. Maybe we'll have a little outside. That'd be cool. Maybe some boards. It's kind of nice. Sure, something like that. Let's colorize the top here. There we go. Maybe we'll make a little sign on this that has kind of the seeds. I think that'd be cool. So maybe we'll just add a little sign here. I don't know. And let's make the seeds. So this will be like the seed store. Okay, let's make this a little wider, I'd say. We can probably stand to do that. And we'll kind of do our little seed packet thing here. So that'll be the seed store. Yeah. Might take this up a little bit just so we have a little bit more room. There we go. Add a little bit of padding around that sign. I think that works pretty well. And then let's add like a little, I don't know, like a little counter kind of thing here. Maybe we'll do something like this. I don't know if that quite reads. Let's take this down just a touch. Maybe we'll have it kind of extend out. That might help a little bit. Maybe we'll have a person in there. Yeah, kind of looks like a little stand. It's kind of neat. I think do something like that. Maybe we could even cheat this up a little bit. Probably still read a little better. Yeah, it's a little better. Maybe even take this up a touch. Add maybe a shirt to this person. Yeah, maybe they're waving. All right, yeah, I think that works. Let's play around with this edge here. I think I might make the edges a little darker just so it sticks out a little more. Yeah, seed store. I like it. Now, when we sell things, maybe we'll take this and just paste it here. And you can make different art if you want to. But again, we're just going to keep this really simple. And so this person's going to be holding money. I wonder if we could do like a carrots into cash kind of store. That's probably fine for now. You can change it if you want to, make it however you want, but that's pretty good. Let's also make a charging station here. This I'm pretty excited about. We're going to make a kind of a little pad that our guy can step on, or I guess float over. And let's do something like this. There we go. Just add a little edge like that. Maybe some, I don't know, kind of chargy pad things like this. Okay, cool. And then we got to have like the big batteries or something here, some kind of power station. So I think we do like this kind of thing, and maybe a shorter one here. And then maybe we have edges around here like that. And the front of these is dark gray. Maybe it's that purple. Yeah, I think I like that. And then the top of them is that light gray. All right. Then we need some kind of like chargy looking thing. Sure. I think that works. Something like that. Maybe we'll highlight the top of this like this. Yeah. It's like a little chargy station. So now those should already be in the map. Yeah. Cool. Save run. And now we know where to go if we want to charge up. Cool. All right. There's a little better art for us. It's going to make our game just look a little nicer. That's all for today. By the way, if you're new to Pico 8, we have a free Pico 8 Essentials workshop available right here. And if you want to watch all the videos in this series, there's a playlist right here. See you next time.